Total Contact Cast or TCC is a specialized casting technique used to offload pressure from a specific area, typically on the foot or ankle. This is commonly prescribed for conditions like diabetic foot ulcers. Before starting the procedure, gather all the necessary material that include cotton, stockinette, surgical blade, soft cotton roll, and a lightweight fiberglass casting tape. Begin by preparing the patient's limb. Ensure the foot is in a neutral position with the ankle at 90 degrees. First, apply the stockinette, ensuring it extends well beyond the area to be casted, both proximally and distally. Smoothly roll the stockinette up the leg, making sure that there are no wrinkles or creases. Ensure the stockinette fits snugly without being too tight, conforming to the contours of the foot and lower leg. Continue wrapping the cotton roll upwards, overlapping each layer by approximately half its width. Maintain consistent tension. Ensure the entire area that will be covered by the cast is evenly padded with the soft cotton, providing a protective layer for the skin. Soft cotton layer acts as a cushion and helps to distribute pressure evenly within the cast. Now, immerse the fiberglass casting tape in water for the recommended time, usually a few seconds, until it is thoroughly saturated. Begin applying the fiberglass tape. Start at the foot, ensuring careful molding around the arc and the heel. Continue wrapping the fiberglass tape up the leg, applying smooth and even pressure to ensure close contact and avoid gaps. Carefully mold the fiberglass to the contours of the leg, ensuring total contact with the underlying padding. Apply a second layer of fiberglass tape for added strength and rigidity. Overlap as before to create a strong, uniform cast. The third layer is applied for maximum support and durability, especially important for a total contact cast design for weight bearing. Pay close attention to shaping the cast around the toes and heel to ensure proper offloading and prevent pressure points. A smaller piece of fiberglass can be prepared to meticulously reinforce the toe area. This final piece is crucial for creating a smooth and supportive surface over the toes, further preventing localized pressure. Once all the layers are applied, meticulously mold the entire cast to the patient's limb, ensuring a snug, total contact fits without any areas of excessive pressure. Allow the cast to set completely. The completed total contact cast is now ready, providing effective offloading and protection for the affected area.